Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a puff stitch cord. And this one I crocheted in worsted weight yarn, and this was a bit bulkier yarn. If you wanted to use 2 strands of worsted weight or a really chunky yarn, you could make a more sturdy, heavier puff stitch cord. Or for this one, I worked it up with this large 15mm crochet hook and 4 strands of worsted weight yarn. And you could use something like this as a curtain tie back. So let's get started. Start with a slip knot. Chain 2. 1, 2. Make a puff stitch in this stitch. So yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, and pull it up high. Now yarn around the hook, insert into the same stitch, pull up a loop, and pull that up high. One more time, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, and pull up a loop. Now you're going to have 7 loops on the hook. Pick up the yarn, pull it through all 7, and then take 1 stitch to lock it in. And you'll just continue to repeat that. Chain 2, 1, 2, yarn around the hook, insert the hook into this stitch, right there. Pick up the yarn and pull up a loop. Yarn around the hook, insert into the same stitch, pull up a loop. One more time, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pull up a loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pick up the yarn, pull it through all 7, and then chain 1. I'll do one more. Chain 2, yarn around the hook, insert into that bottom stitch, pull up a loop, yarn around the hook, insert into that same stitch, and pull up a loop, yarn around the hook, insert into the same stitch, pull up a loop, pick up the yarn, pull it through all 7, and then chain 1. Like that, and you just continue to do that for as long as you want your cord to be. Like that. That's all you need to know to be able to crochet a puff stitch cord. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.